Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, my name is Gary. Before I continue, if you guys want to like, subscribe and hit that bell just so you're notified every time I upload a brand new video. So today's video, I wanted to do it for so long. I love doing Christmas gift guides. I love just letting you guys know what's the hottest, what's the best thing to get for your loved ones out there. I love Christmas shopping. I love Christmas in general just because I feel like I'm in such a festive mood. Like the weather is just really cute here. It's not too cold, it's not snowing, it's just hella cute. So anyway, let's begin. I've got 4 gifts here and I've obviously partnered up with Boots for this video, which is so amazing. I love Boots so much and I think like Boots is just a one-shop destination where you can get anything. Like I go to Boots for my cosmetics, I go to Boots for my wipes, I go to Boots for my skincare, I go to Boots for my electronical devices. Boots has everything. It's a one-stop shop for everyone. Your boyfriend, your girlfriend, your mom, your sister, your granddad, anyone in your family can go to Boots and get anything they want. Okay, so the first gift would have to be my sister. She is a beauty queen. If you have a sister of her age and they're obsessed with beauty, she's always saying slay, honey, whatever. So I thought, you know what, she's always asking me like, Gary, can you give me this? Can you borrow me that? Can you give me this? Can you get me that? I'm like, babe, you like so many beauty products. I'm like, I'm not sure what to give you. You like a bit of skincare, but you like brushes, but you want an eye cream, but you want a toner. So I'm like, what can I give you? Because babes, I can't give you everything, like, you know. So anyway, I got her an advent calendar. Guys, I feel like with advent calendars, you cannot go wrong. Advent calendars are like the gift of 2019. I feel like advent calendars have so much in them. So this is the Boots Times Glamour Festival advent calendar. When I first got told about this, I was just like, can I get one for myself? Because it looks hella popping. This advent calendar is so pretty. It's pink, red, and with a bit of gold, which is a bit of me. You guys know I love a bit of gold. And I just feel like it's 25 pockets in here, so you can open it every day before Christmas. It just has everything you need, you know. So I'm going to tell you a bit more about the advent calendar. I'm going to read you some details. So this advent calendar was £85 and you get it for £75. It's actually worth £280 and it's got brands from Benefit, Ola Henriksen, Too Faced, Smashbox, Morphe, Lancome, Fenty, Elizabeth Arden, Bare Minerals, Liz Earl, and a Pixie Glow Tonic. I'm going to open a few of these for you. Like this for £75 is insane. Let me open one. I'm going to open day one, just because I feel like opening all of them will ruin the surprise for everyone. So let me open this. It's really, really cute. Oh my god! It's a mini hula. Guys, hula, I think hula is like one of like the best bronzers ever. Like I feel like you can't go wrong with getting someone a hula bronzer. Like it's amazing for nose contouring and cheek contouring. Such a cute mini size. And you know what? Everyone wants minis. Everyone's going on holiday. People are booking their 2020 destinations, and I feel like everyone wants something mini because you don't want to like your carrier bag to be overweight. You want everything to be miniature and fit. Wow, this is so cute. For day one, that is a good gift. Let me see if I can find number 2. Where's number 2? Oh, there's number 2. Okay, so let's see what's in number 2. Okay. Oh, I've actually tried this before, and this, is it going to focus? This is called Egg Mellow Cream by Too Faced, and it's a 5-in-1 firming moisturizer. This moisturizer is really good. This brand actually does a really good foaming mousse face mask. It's so good. I feel like this advent calendar would be so perfect for someone that's like obsessed with beauty, but you're not sure what to give them, and you just want to give them everything in once, but in one package, and save a lot of coin. Okay, so the second gift is actually for my mom. I feel like my mom's really hard to shop for just because she kind of has everything, but she's very into her skincare, but most importantly, her teeth. Like every time we go on holiday, yeah, she has to have a toothbrush on the plane, and she has to make sure she brings her electric toothbrush. And she's a person that just loves electric toothbrushes. Like before I was like, Mom, just get like a manual toothbrush. She was like, no, electric toothbrushes actually clean your teeth like 80% better than a manual toothbrush just because of the way they move. So I was like, what can I get her? Something that's cute, and she loves a really, really in-depth technological I wouldn't wear this. Like, she loves a really good, in-depth, like, good electric toothbrush. So I decided to get her this one. So this is a Philips Sonicare Deep Diamond Clean Cleansing Toothbrush. This is supposed to be amazing. So this says it's a deep clean for a whiter, healthier smile. Like, guys, can we just take a look at it? Like, it looks like it's gonna move or turn into a car or something. It looks so insane. Let me get it out of the package. Okay, so you get this case in the toothbrush box, which is perfect for my mom, perfect for traveling, plus also she got some new teeth, so this gift is gonna be amazing for her. So she's gonna open it. Guys, look how this is presented. This looks gorgeous. We're gonna turn it on. So this has different settings. This has sensitive, gum care, deep clean, clean, white, and sensitive, which is perfect for my mom. Like, this has amazing settings. Let me just check how much this is for you guys. So this is £89. It does retail before £300, so you're saving £210, and it comes with a little cute stand as well. This toothbrush has so many good reviews. It's literally 4.5 stars with 317 reviews. Like, oh my god, this will be perfect for my mom because it has so many settings. So if you're having, like, you want to deep clean your teeth, or if you're having a sensitive teeth day, this toothbrush should be perfect for your moms. I feel like Boots is literally like a one-stop destination to get gifts. They're so good. You can get your gifts delivered to your nearest store. Obviously, you can get them delivered to your house, and I feel like Boots just have like such a simple order service and such an easy way to deliver. It's like amazing. Okay, so guys, if you have someone in your family that's super into fitness, someone that always works out, is worried about their sleep, worried about how many steps they take, this is the present for them. This is the Fitbit Charge 3. Like, Fitbits have become such a sensational product that so much people just like love. Like this, so this is an advanced fitness tracker. Let's take it out and have a look at it, see how small it is. It's actually really tiny actually. It's really cute. Look at that. Oh my god, like, it's so light as well, so you wouldn't feel it on your arm. So let's read some details about it. So this actually automatically tracks your activity, exercise, and sleep. It tracks your heart rate, and it also tracks sleeping tracking with like light and deep sleepers. And it also has a female health tracking. It's water resistant up to 50 meters, and it also sets workout goals and real-time stats. And it also obviously has an app connection for iPhones, which is insane. Wow. I'm gonna check how much this is because this is perfect for someone who is gym obsessed. So this is $99.99, so it's literally £100 under. So good. So it's swim proof, multi-exercise modes. Oh, and it also has core text and calendar and app alerts. Okay, so this is such a good gift to someone that's obviously on the go. It's like business and fitness savvy that needs to read their emails and their calls and get their alerts. This is such a good device. Like, okay, I want one for myself. Okay, so guys, this is the gift for someone that's bougie, that loves their hair to be laid, that's complaining about their straighteners breaking all the time, or like they need like a nice new pair, or they just love to like have waves and curls. Someone that's just obsessed with hair. This gift is the big daddy. It's so gorgeous. You can do so many looks. There's so many add-ons. Everyone wants it. It's probably one of the hottest products of the year. This is the Dyson Airwrap. Guys, can we take a moment for this product? Like, this is insane. Look at all the add-ons. You got curly, you got straight, and it also has like a firming smoothing brush, and this actually works on all hair types. So you don't have to worry about the person if their hair's frizzy, curly, textured. It's so good. I'm gonna open this for you because this has to be one of the most bougiest gifts. Look at this case. What in the luxury is going on here? Like, this is such a cute gift. If someone gave me this, I'd probably cry. Like, if I had hair. If I had hair, that is. If I had hair. But let me open it for you. Oh my. Wow. How do I open this? I think I have to take this off. Oh, wow. This is actually gorgeous. Like, are you guys seeing this? Look at all the add-ons. It's so perfectly placed and so good. Already packed so perfectly for you. this is it here. Oh wow. Oh, I wish I had hair now. And these are the add-ons. You get the brush as well. I just feel like this is such a cute gift for someone, because someone obviously that likes doing their hair and having different styles. This is already like packed for you. It's like a little cute travel case. Oh, this is so nice. I'm gonna find out the price for you guys as well. So the Dyson Airwrap Style Smooth and Control is $399.99. This is such a luxurious gift. Someone that received this is honestly going to melt. With so many add-ons, this has had amazing reviews. This will be such a super cute Christmas gift. So this has no extreme heat. It styles and dries simultaneously, attracts and wraps hair using air, which is amazing, volumizes curls and waves. It does so much stuff, and the tools it comes with is just amazing. And it comes in this beautiful, gorgeous tan box, giving me luxurious vibe. Guys, that's it for my Christmas gift guide with Boots. Don't forget to check out the Boots website, which I'll leave in the description bar below, because you know Boots is a one-stop shop for all your friends and family. You can get beauty, cosmetics, hair tools, anything you want, from shavers to advent calendars. Don't forget to check them out, because Boots has so many deals on and so many Christmas gift sets that you just have to check out. Thank you guys for watching this video. Do let me know what gifts you get for your loved ones in the comments down below, and I hope you guys have a happy Christmas. I shall see you soon, guys. Bye.